Daily greetings in Yoruba language. Ekaro. Ekaro means good morning. This is used for someone that is older than you or higher in hierarchy. So the version that you use for someone you're older than or your colleague is karo, which means I am talking about the difference between and the absence of the same in the second version. Ekaro to someone older than you, karo to someone of your mate or of lower rank. Aro means morning, while karo can be divided into ku, which is the greet that is tagged to every greeting system in the language. Aro, which means morning. Ekwidaji. This is good morning in English, but there is a difference between ekaro and ekwidaji. Ekwidaji is used for the early hours of the day, probably between 4 a.m. in the morning to like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. This is a description of the early time of the day before the sun rises. Then again, you will remember the difference that we set out to or account for ekaro in the first instance. Means a pronoun that refers to respect used to greet people of older age or probably higher level. Ekason, good afternoon, where also means afternoon. The absence of is good afternoon for someone of your mate or someone you're older than. The middle of the day is regarded as iyaleta. So, ekuyaleta to greet someone that is older than you, kuyaleta to greet someone of your age or that is lesser than you in your age. Ekwirole, this is good evening. The evening here, the description in the culture captures 4 p.m. to like 6 p.m. before the dusk, where irole means evening. So again, ekwirole to show the greeting for someone that is older than you, the absence of to greet someone that you're older than or of your age. Ekale. Ale actually means night. So ekale here describes the point of between 7 p.m. up to like 12 midnight, where ale means night. Finally, on this session, odaro. Odaro is therefore the equivalent of good night when you say goodbye to someone for the day. In today's class, I have pointed out here that is a pronoun to show respect. So the first thing you're learning again in this class is that Yoruba is full of respect. Thank you once again. I hope to see you in our next class.